Hi everyone, this is Madison Taylor here, and in this video today, I want to show you two of my newest pair of tennis shoes that I picked up actually over the weekend by Adidas. One of them is in the tennis style, and one of them is in the skateboarding style. So I have two different shoes that are both super comfortable, and just want to show you a bright pop of color. I do have a great idea I'm going to walk you through about one of these and just a new kind of trend, or how you can transform to something really special later on. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the video. Pair of these tennis shoes over here by Adidas. I still have them in the original box over here, but these are the tennis style in breakneck sleek. The, I guess, SKU code is IH5467 if anyone is interested in picking these up, but we'll go ahead and show you. So these are the sneakers. So one thing I really kind of thought was interesting about the sneakers itself is the laces. Super cool and unique. You can see over here, these don't even have a tag on them, but that's one of them. But even this, like, look how cool this is with the double one. Really liked the pop of color. Think they're super cute and also a great price point for a tennis shoe. I picked these up. These were on sale for $80, but again, just super sleek and comfortable at the same time. This to me is a great kind of pop of color. You can wear around town, you're traveling, it's really great, but love the lace detail on the shoes. But this way you can kind of see both of them. One unique idea I had for these tennis shoes, which I'm probably going to do later on in another video, is actually put a couple charms on them. I'm thinking of adding like a bow or something kind of unique, but these to me are like a perfect sneaker to go ahead and do so, especially with the colors in the laces itself. So just some other things to highlight about these shoes. I wear a size 40, a European, which is like a 9.5, 10 depending on the shoe. These are actually a women's size 8. So if you're looking to purchase either one of these shoes, please keep in mind the sizing is really kind of skewed, especially on the smaller end of everything. So you have to look, and it does mention on here on the box that it is a 40F, which is 40 female, but just keep that in mind. I even tried on the 8.5. I'm like, oh, maybe they're a little too small. No, the 8.5 was huge. So these are definitely kind of has a weird size scale, and I had to go in and try these on in person just to understand what my size was, but I was an 8 across the board. So again, just keep that in mind if you're looking to pick these up. But these are the breakneck sleek shoe. But this, again, you can go ahead and see these tennis shoes, but a great pop of color for any wardrobe. For my next pair of Adidas tennis shoes, I want to kind of do a little bit of an unboxing, but these, again, size 8, and this is the skateboarding style VL Court Bold, and IH8090 if anyone is interested in picking this up. But the first thing that attracts me about these shoes is definitely the color. I thought it was super, super unique and just something I didn't have in my wardrobe, but you can see these are definitely a bold color for sure. It's in kind of this like neon orange and purple, which I thought was a really fun combination. This way you can see the back of it, but these are definitely a little bit chunkier, of course, on the bottom of the shoe than the other ones, but thought this would be a really great to pair with, like, even with an all black outfit or an all white outfit, just a really great pop of color on these. I would say same thing about the sizing, although these do have a chunkier sole to them. I'm still a size 8 in these. I was at a size 8 across the board. So, but if you're interested in picking these up, just keep in mind the sizing. Super comfortable. I've just kind of worn them around a little bit the house just to break them in, but they still have the tag on. I haven't even worn these out, but at least you can kind of see on the details. I do know that these styles in particular come in a couple different colors. They have like a bright blue, a black, a green, but again, you don't have to go with such a bold color. I thought that these would just be fun with like a nice solid basic outfit to pair together. Let me just show you quickly the difference between the tennis style and the skateboarding style. So probably the biggest difference is definitely the sole of the shoe or the bottom of it. So you can come in and see kind of a little bit close over here. This is definitely a chunkier one. Well, this is a little bit skinnier of a one, hence the skateboarding style versus the tennis. Both of the body of the shoe is relatively the same. Even on the bottom over here, it's got slightly a different kind of rubber to show you the main difference of the two. The kind of style is a little bit similar. Again, this is going to be your chunkier one. This is going to be your slimmer one. I would say this is going to be more of your Euro kind of style, if you would, compared to the skateboarding one. But again, kind of the base of the shoe is relatively the same. You can pick these up in a couple of different colors and patterns, but these still have the logo on the back, that bright pop of color. But overall, that is really the main kind of comparison. Fit is exactly the same. Again, sizing exact same across the board. Price point relatively the same. You're going to be anywhere from that 80. I paid 80 because I got them on sale, but anywhere from 80 all the way up to like 100, 120. But at least this gives you a comparison of the two shoes. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We are going to be doing more videos like this in the series, especially how to style different outfits with these guys. So thank you guys again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care now.